Welcome back everybody. After completing 1.2, we are coming back to new topic, that is set operation 1.5. In this we learn the operations on set. So as you know, in mathematics we have fundamental operators. So you can see fundamental operators of arithmetic. So you know addition, plus sign, subtraction, negative sign, multiplication, cross sign, division, division sign. Using this we find so many calculation, we calculate so many things. So there are certain operations on set. So those operations are complement, union, intersection and difference. So as we see, there are four operations on this: complement, union, intersection and difference. These four things we are going to study. So as you see, this is the diagrammatic representation of complement of set. So we know that U is a universal set in which a small set A is there. So all the elements of A are colored. So complement of it will be opposite of it. So A is colored, we will not colored. The outer portion is not colored, we will color it. So we call that portion as A dash. A dash. Okay. So for complement of set, you need to understand that you should be given with U, capital U, which contains universal set, and a set A. Minimum we require to find a complement of set. So for example, we see one of the example. If U is equals to C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and A is equals to C, D, G, J. So how do we write complement? The elements which are there in A should not come in A component. So C is there, so we will not write C in A dash. D is there, so we will not write D in A dash. E is not there, so we will write E. F is not there, we will write F. H is also not there, we will write it. I is also not there, we will write it. So A dash is equals to E, F, G, H. That is complement of A. There are certain things, A dash complement of A, and again if we find complement of it, it will be A again. Universal complement is always empty and empty complement is always universal. So this is how you understand. There is one more example. If U is all the boys in the class, A is boys who play cricket. So complement will be negation of it, opposite of it. Boys who do not play cricket. So this word is enough, do not. Okay. So the next topic we are coming here is union of two set. The topic is union of two set. So as you can see, this is a universal set in which A and B both are given to us. If they contain a common region, there is a common region. You can see this is a common region in both A and B. A is this circle and B is this circle. So there is a common region in between. This common region is called as union. Okay. So here they are disjoint. They are not union. So we are not going to see this. This is not required now. Okay. We come to the example of union. If for union you must be given with two sets. Okay. P is equals to Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. Q is equals to Europe, North America, South America. Then when we find the union of it, we will not repeat the element, but we will write all the elements. So we start with Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. So we write all the values first. Then Europe, which is only once, which is not repeated. North America is not repeated. South America is also not repeated. We write all the values. So for more precise, if you want to see, you can see the example number 1.11. As you can see, P contains the element M and N, Q contains the element M, I, J. Then the representation, they said in Venn diagram you need to do it, and you need to find P union Q. Okay, so first what we do, we find the P, we write the P as it is, we write the Q as it is. This is only representation. Then we will go to Venn diagram. So P union Q will be, as you can see, M is common in both. This M is common in both, but we have to write only once, and other element also we have to write once. Okay, so this is the composition of set. From here we are going to write this. Okay, so how? As you can see, M is common in both. First we will fill the common element. So M is common. So what is left in P? N is left. So this is N. What is left in Q? Ij. So Ij is left. So this is the diagrammatic representation of union of two set. Okay. So next we come to intersection of two sets. As you can see, intersection of two sets. This is the heading. Intersection of two sets. This is the diagrammatic representation. We will not include these elements. We will include only the intersection part. So as it states in the question itself, it is the intersection. So as it is the intersection, it will contain only the common element. So if you have a set X is an even natural number lying between 1 and 12, and 12 is included, X is a multiple of 3, X should be less than equal to 12. So A, first we frame the set A, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We will not include 1 because there is no equal to. B, 3, 6, 9, 12. So the common element in both, as you can see, this is 6, here it is 6. This is 12, here it is 12. So 6 and 12 both makes an intersection. So intersection becomes 6, 12. Next, if A is 2, 3, C is empty. Because C does not contain any element, hence therefore the intersection will be empty. Okay, so we are going to conclude this video with this, and you can read this: A intersection A is always A intersection empty is always empty. So A intersection union is always universal, U is universal. Okay, so please subscribe the video, share with your friends. Thank you.